My statement to Arnel Guerrero Castillo, Best Pills, Paulo Cruzada, Wawel Romero, G. Macasandil, Angelo Bonsa, Dan Salvacion, including Paulo Cruzada and Wawel Romero. Here is my statement to all of you, Why can't all of you just stop blaming Big Soto that he raped Pepsi Paloma? Big Soto is not involved of rape of Pepsi Paloma. Are all of you are listening to Daryl Yap? Daryl Yap is not always in part of the movie screening that called The Rapist Pepsi Paloma. But you know what, to all of you, I say to you, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, Best Pills, Paulo Cruzada, Wawel Romero, Gene Asedio, G. Macasandil, Jeffrey Asedio, and including you, Angelo Bonsa and Lance Salvacion. Why can't all of you just stop messing around? Messing around the Soto family, even Big Soto and Tito Soto. And now you see what happened to Big Soto. Even his daughter was affected in the school bullying. Big Soto is not involved of rapist of Pepsi Paloma in 1985. Let me tell you in trivia. 1985, that Pepsi Paloma died in suicide due to the hanging, because her problem anyway about her boyfriend, about her mother, and she's not in, and it's not involved by Big Soto. That's called whitewashing, which is called it the scapegoat. If you blame someone and call it the scapegoat, that is called the scapegoat. Which is not true. For me, this is not true. That's all false speculations. For example, if I made a false speculation, why are you all of you are saying that Big Soto was involved in the rape of Pepsi Paloma? That's not true. You remember that I was told by Stefan Pimentel? That is not true. I was told by Felix Sabines. That is not true. Which is called the false accusations. However, it's a false accusation. It is not good to say false accusations. For me, if I say the false accusation, that is a false. That is a lie. I never make a false accusations anyway. When I made the false accusation in social media, I made the false accusations against Teacher Gio, Teacher Gio Malana, 2023, I made the false accusations to Teacher Vincent Ramos in Facebook, I made the false accusation, and that false accusations of Big Soto, that's not true. Big Soto is not involved of the rape of Pepsi Paloma. Big Soto is busy for their show of Eat Bulaga. Even Tito Soto and Joey De Leon, they are all busy. Just like Teacher Gio Malana, who's busy in teaching in United States. He's also busy in his teachings. They are all busy. Do not blame anyone that someone who implicate his name. Not only Big Soto. All of you, you're blaming at Jerick Silva and Joseph Maspinas. He never do anything right. They were not born in 90s. You know what? I'm just gonna say to Wawel Romero, Paulo Cruzada, all of you, even G. Macasandil, Jeffrey Asedio, Gene Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and Angelo Bonsa, and Lance Salvacion. Do not spread the false speculations. All the lies, all the false, what are all you are doing? It's not nice to say, why we blame Big Soto? Like they said in Tagalog, ikaw ba ang gumasa kay Pepsi Paloma? They criticized J. Rick Silva and Joseph Maspinas. They were born in 90s. I mean, I was born 1997. Oh. I was not born 1985. Oh. 1985, the Pepsi Paloma, that was a years of Mommy Ellen Olea. That was a years of Nanay Ningning. She was in Germany. Before she married to Uncle Eugene. That was a years of Nanay Net. That was a years of Nanay Baby, Tatay Delpin. That's all the years in 1985. 1985, you remember Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He was a kid in 10 years old. You remember Ate Mirasol. She was born 1978. She was 10 years old. Before she is married, she's not born in she's not born in 1985. She was still a kid. At the same age. This is what I remember, the old pictures of Nanay Baby. Pepsi Paloma was a superstar in 1980s until 1985 because she is a actress. When she was a teenager, she was a very good performance in movies, which was released in the movie, in the clip. It was a clip of Pepsi Paloma movies in Cinema 1 in ABS-CBN. And also Pepsi Paloma died in suicide because she was not involved of the rape of Pepsi Paloma. So Big Soto and Tito Soto are not involved. So that is whitewashing. This is what I'm gonna say. When I never tell a lies or truth, that is a lie. Pepsi Paloma is already dead. I say to Wawel Romero, Paulo Cruzada, Jeffrey Asedio, Jean Asedio, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, Best Pills, and including you, Angelo Bonsa, and G. Macasandil, and Jeffrey Asedio, including you, Lance Salvacion, and Procnoy TV channel. Enough about the speculation against TBJ. You see that Jeff Oligar TV? He was very angry at all of you. Why you implicate Big Soto that he raped Pepsi Paloma? What is this? Pepsi Paloma Eatery. Pepsi, it's a drink from America. Paloma is a eatery. That is a canteen. That's all nonsense.